Starting a garden can be a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. There are many vegetables that are easy to grow and taste great. In this video, we will discuss 10 of the best vegetables to start in your garden based on taste and ease of growing. So, whether you are a beginner gardener or an experienced one, this list is something for you. But before that, make sure to subscribe to us for more videos and tap the bell icon to get notified with every new video from us. So let's dive into the video. Number 10. Summer squash. Summer squash is a great vegetable to start in your garden. It is easy to grow and tastes great. They can start producing edible fruit just 7 weeks after planting seeds, and if you keep the fruit picked, they'll continue pumping out fruit right until frost. Summer squash can be used in many different recipes, so it is versatile as well. If you are looking for a vegetable that is easy to grow and tastes great, summer squash is a great option. Summer squashes and zucchinis thrive in well-composted soil and need a lot of room. Before long, you'll have so many zucchinis that you'll be leaving them on your neighbor's doorstep. To avoid powdery mildew, always water at the soil level rather than the leaves. Number 9. Beets. Beets are another great vegetable to start in your garden. They are easy to grow and taste great. Beets can be used in many different recipes, so they are versatile as well. If you are looking for a vegetable that is easy to grow and tastes great, beets are a great option. The unusual seed capsules contain 2 or 3 beet seeds, so the seedlings will need to be thinned constantly. Plant the capsule seeds about an inch deep and 4 inches apart. Remove the roots when they are the size of a tennis ball, although you can eat them right away if you wish. Number 8. Swiss chard. Swiss chard is a beet relative, and it's terrific in both chilly and warm weather. It adapts well to both cool and hot temperatures. It's a nutritional superfood with plenty of vitamins A, C, and K as well as minerals, phytonutrients, and fiber, and its many user lovely. It just needs enough room, water, and perhaps a bit of fertilizer. As part of your spring garden, you'll want to get Swiss chard seed into the ground in early to mid-spring, or at least when you're sure there's no more chance of frost. Number 7. Kale. Kale may be grown in a wide range of temperatures and is exceptionally robust. It can be harvested at various growth phases, and the buds and flowers are also edible. Mustards and collards are 2 types of kale that are closely related to one another. It's a tolerant plant that can survive cold temperatures and shady conditions. Just 3 hours of sunshine is enough, although it grows well in full sun to light shade in well-drained soil. Number 6. Cucumbers. Prepare ahead of time for cucumbers by adding fertilizer with high amounts of nitrogen and potassium to the soil. Plant cucumbers near corn if at all possible. The fence will provide support for climbing and act as a shelter, thanks to the proximity of the corn. Cucumbers can be fermented in a crock to produce genuine dill pickles. Fermenting genuine dill pickles takes 3 to 4 weeks at 70 Fahrenheit. Number 5. Carrots. Carrots thrive in loose, sandy soil during the cooler parts of the growing season, spring and fall. Not all carrots are orange. Different types range in color from purple to white and are resistant to diseases and pests. Carrots that are too long and misshapen are a common problem for novices. This is usually due to poor, rocky soil, so make sure you give your carrots soft, loose soil that drains properly. Add some sand to loosen it up even more. Number 4. Radishes. Radishes take approximately 24 days to mature, and they can be grown with other slower-growing veggies. You can plant radishes as soon as the soil is workable in the spring. Each seed should be sown 2 inches apart or more, or thin to this distance after sprouting. They can be sown in spring and right through summer, and there are also varieties you can plant for winter harvesting. Number 3. Peas. Plant peas as soon as the soil can be worked, ideally 2 weeks before your area's average last spring frost. To produce a continuous supply of peas throughout the summer, sow several maturity date types at once. Then sow additional seeds roughly 2 weeks later. Sow no later than mid-June in this manner. When choosing varieties to grow, bear in mind that round peas tend to be harder than wrinkled varieties. Number 2. Green beans. Beans can thrive in almost any soil, even poor soils. Because they fix the nitrogen as they go, Beans may grow even in difficult conditions. Bush types do not require trellising, but pole types produce a longer harvest. Snap beans are easiest to grow in cool climates. Green beans prefer slightly acidic soil with a pH of around 6.0. Green beans fix their own nitrogen, so normal, rich soil can help produce quality plants without fertilization. Number 1. Lettuce. Lettuce can be grown in a garden bed or started indoors and transplanted later. It's one of the few veggies that can be cultivated all year in our climate, although it should be shaded and harvested at lower quantities during the summer. Lettuce production is slower in shade. It also takes longer to go to seed bolt. Many varieties reach maturity in as little as 30 days, and some can even be harvested much earlier as microgreens. Those are the 10 best vegetables to start in any garden based on taste and ease of growing. Hope you got some value. If so, make sure to subscribe to us for more videos and tap the bell icon to get notified with every new video from us. See you in the next video.